Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Nate, a forex trader from Jamaica, and in today's video I'm going to be doing some chart breakdown of GBPUSD, more famously known as GU. Okay, and today was a good day. Today was a good day for some sell opportunities. Oh, by the way, this was March 28th, 2022. So basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be breaking down the chart and showing you guys how I got these sell trades. Right, so without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so you guys are looking at my chart right now, and I have some things on my chart. Let me just quickly explain what these are. Now, on the weekly time frame, the weekly, daily, and H8, price has been bearish. Price is in a downtrend. All right. However, this level that I drew, okay, this level that I drew was H8 demand. If you take a closer look here, this was a demand zone. Okay, this was a demand on H8 that price broke out of. However, was retested and respected, now converting it to supply. Okay, now yes, it is obvious that price is bullish on H4. However, bear in mind that we have retested higher time frame supply, which holds strength. Okay, so even though H4 was bullish, price retested higher time frame supply, which will bring price back down. Okay, now if you guys don't know this, whenever you're in an uptrend, okay, and you draw your trend line, right, whatever is on this side is known as a buy zone, so you take buys. However, if price broke your trend line and is trading below your trend line here, it's known as a sell zone. So this means that we should be looking out for sells. All right, so that's one indication that we should be looking out for sells, guys. We're in a sell zone. Now let me quickly break down H4 uptrend. So price was bearish. However, on H4 we broke structure here. This was a supply zone, okay, on H4. So we had a break of structure. I'm gonna label it as BOS, break of structure, not only once but twice. Okay, price broke two supply zones. However, when it retested H8 supply right here, it was respected. Right, the supply zone was too strong for supply to break out of. Right, and even though, another thing, even though we were in an uptrend on H4, we still have to bear in mind that on H8 we're bearish. So this bullish movement on H4 was simply just a retracement relative to H8 time frame. Okay, and yes, we had a low here on H4 time frame. This is the uptrend. We had a low here. Price broke this side, break of structure, created a high, right? Came back, retested. This was a complex pullback. If you look closer, you can see that there was a channel right here. Right, there was a channel here. Okay, however, this was the low that broke us out. Sorry, this was the low that gave us a higher high, right, and broke us out of this supply zone here. Right, okay, now that we've understand what price is doing, we retested H8 supply and broke our demand zone here. This is broken demand. So this is another key indication that price wants to move bearish. We are looking to take sells. Sellers are in the market. Okay, our demand levels are being broken, and we're in a sell zone. Okay, and this is another level of demand as well. Right. So now that we've broken this low, this was the last low point which we broke through. We simply just drill down to lower time frame to see what those time frames are doing. Okay. So let me just turn on my indicator. By the way, guys, this indicator simply just tells me what session I'm in. So these colors represent the sessions. So this session here, the orange / yellow, is London session. Now I personally trade New York session, right? And New York session is the blue and the red. Okay. Now we broke through our trend line, right? And price is breaking demand levels, as you can see here. This demand level was broken, and these demand levels were broken as well. All right. Yes, it was created here and then it respected, but even though it was respected, the only thing price did was grab liquidity or pull back, as you may know it, and then continued the trend downwards. So this is telling me that, okay, price is heading towards this level of demand, right? However, I'm going to be patient. I'm going to be waiting for my New York session to come in order to find sell opportunities and place a sell trade. Okay, now without further ado, let's drill down to even lower time frames. M15. Now it is clear as day that M15 is moving bearish, right? So what I will be doing, and on M5 as well, price is bearish as well. Now as you can see here, we're in a downtrend on M5. Right, price broke this demand zone and we're now receiving a pullback. So I simply draw my fib tool, wait for price to retest my levels and give me a Quasimodo pattern. What is a Quasimodo pattern? Quasimodo pattern is basically a head and shoulder pattern. Simply put, it looks like this. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. This is a key indication that price is gonna switch in direction. Okay, so you have a high, then you have a higher high, then you have a lower high, right? So this is the pattern I'm looking out for on my M1 time frame. Remember guys, price knows no time. So as soon as price retest my alpha levels, I'm going to be looking out for that pattern in order to take a sell. Okay, and this is it. Now if you guys realize, price gave me a left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder, which is a high, a higher high, and a lesser high. So I'm gonna simply pull the trigger and take this trade. Put my stop loss right above the head of the Quasimodo, and I'm gonna be shooting for higher time frame demand because that's where price is heading. So I'm risking, let me see. Yeah, I'm risking 7 pips. Right? And my target is 53.9, roughly 54 pips. Okay, now let's see. And just like that, TP was hit. Now, if we look closer into this trade, we could have even got in on more sell opportunities. Right? This was a nice sell opportunity as well. Even though it was an M1 time frame, lower time frame, it doesn't matter, guys. Price knows no time. You could have taken this trade as well, being that price retested M1 supply and gave us a nice rejection. Okay, so we could have taken the trade here, risked another 7 pips to make. I normally tell people to shoot for at least a 1 to 3. Okay. And there you have it. Okay. So that's 2 trades, guys. That's 2 trades for the day. That's 54 pips. Plus 21 pips. Okay, that's, wait, what did I say? 54. Well, yeah, I'm gonna say 54. 53.9. So that's 54 plus 21. That's 75 pips. Okay, so we've made 75. Sorry, we've made 75 pips for the day, guys. All right, and that's how I got in on those sells. Okay, 2 simple trades. Simple trades. Okay, so hey guys, thank you for watching this video. I know I went a little bit fast in this video. Some of you guys may not know what I'm talking about, but don't worry, I'm going to be explaining some of these things on upcoming videos, so please stay tuned for those videos, guys, if you want to learn. So hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. And also, reach out to me on any of my social media platforms. The links will be down in the description down below. Thank you, guys. Peace.